We've just acquired this Jaguar XF 2.2 diesel luxury, gleaming black metallic. It's in stunning condition. It's just going to be serviced and MOT'd. It's got rear park distance control. Very popular car now because it's very price rangey. It's got electric windows, mirrors, climate control, full leather interior. This has satellite navigation. Step into the car. Air vents all open up nicely. Air conditioning is nice and cold. Satellite navigation, menu, climate control, media pack, Bluetooth phone connectivity. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07 503 751 005. Thank you.